Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a watermark for your photos and how to set it up so you can repeat it. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our picture open and we go to the actions palette, which is this button right here. Go to actions, then we go over this one here, to create a new action. We're going to click on that and we're just going to give it a name. Watermark test. And hit record. So now this red button is here and shows that it's currently recording so we're going to click on our text tool right here, and then we're going to click somewhere on the page and we're just going to type in our name. Okay, we've typed in our name. Of course, you type in your name. I put it in what text. This is usually the norm. Of course, it can be any text as you want. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fiddle with the opacity. Let's go for 70% opacity. And then we click on this button here to stop recording. Okay, so that is it. That's basically what a simple text market is. Basically, it's just white text with a little bit of opacity. Of course, you can change the text, maybe give it a font like it's cursive, maybe change the opacity even a little bit more. In some cases you want to do black, but that's basically the theory to it. Here is another picture I prepared, and to get our watermark that we just created an action for, all we're simply going to do is select the image, go to our actions palette, scroll and find our watermark action. We click on that, and we click on this button, play selection. Now, it's automatically put our watermark where we last put it. Now, since this image is portrait, it needs a little bit of adjustment. That's simply we can do is click on that, click on our text layer, just move it somewhere here. And because it's a text and we haven't flattened the image yet, can simply go to our text tools and change the color so it shows up a little bit more in the background. Wonderful. And of course we can fiddle with the opacity if we want to. Same with other images. It's a landscape image. Click on the play selection button with our action on, and there we go. We can simply do these multiple times. Of course, if you're doing this action on different images, different size images, you still need to position it in place, but otherwise we can simply repeat it into our heart's content. So what if you want to add watermarks to multiple images at the same time? Well, there's one way we can do that, and that is to automate our batches. So we've already created the action in this instance, and I've loaded 3 images right here. We go to File, Automate, Batch. And it opens up this dialog here. So we're going to select our action. In this case it's already selected, it's watermark test, and the source will be opened files. We're going to leave destination none for now, and we press OK. We let Photoshop do its magic, and voila, all 3 of our photos have the watermark on the lower right screen. So automate batches, you can automate Photoshop to do multiple images of the same action and have your watermark applied to it.